So, I'm back. Welcome to Snuk Hobby Electro. Today I present you the difference between Chinese pedal that I have bought here, and this works with a Hall sensor, something like this here. That's a little Hall sensor. And this one is, I have made this one myself, of course, and this one works with a potentiometer. And what's the difference? So we're gonna test it. I have even made this system here with a retracting contact, and that's for the rear lights here. But this the contact is not connected with the lights, but I have a meter here, and we're gonna put it on impedance. So you hear already the beep tone, and the reason is that that the contact only give contact when it is retracted. So in this position, once time that you push, he stops. You see. So that is the contact. Second thing, I have there a motor with a motor controller, and there's a little meter in there, so that we can see the meter. Oh, I have a little problem here with the sun. For the moment he's on 0, and when I push, and 0, and that's just with this system here. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna begin to show you the difference between these two. So I'm gonna change the serial cable here from this one, from this one, who's working very well, and the Chinese version, and that is this one here. The Chinese version. Let's try it. So I don't push. It goes only 82%, and when I push until the end, he goes to 15 only, and he stays turning. So you can't stop this motor with this system, and he's totally pressed in. So I have 15 until 82. Okay, so we're gonna note that. Pedal width, Hall sensor or potentiometer. The Hall sensor goes from 15 to 82. Here 15, and here he goes from 0 to 100%. That's the difference between these two, and that's even so the reason why I have made one by myself, because when you buy something like that, you're gonna pay 150 euros on minimum. So I opened the box here with 4 screws, 4 little screws, to let you show how I have made this thing. To show you how it works. I'm gonna disconnect all these cables here, and you see I have made it like this. Like this, and when you push, then this level here makes a coin of 40% about, and I have even so a retracting thing there. So when I open the box, you're gonna see some gears, and this gears coming from an old copying machine. I have made a little box like you see, and I have made it like this. So it's very interesting to see that, how it's made. So I'm gonna push here, and you see what he do. Here's the potentiometer there. That's the potentiometer, and I have and this is the contact, the retracting contact. You can see how I made this. That's the system. And here you have a spring too. I have even 3 springs, and one here, one there. You see what you do to retract the whole system. And I have a third one here. A third one to be sure that he's retracting enough. So that's the system. That's the box. It's almost ready, I think. He goes in like this. First the cables, and after that, you place it in the box. Oops, that's not correct here. In the box like this, and after that, I have here something with a little piece of wood here, and it's to push the whole system down a little bit, and at the same time is to have the right position for the holes there. When you put the bolts in it, or the screws, sorry, then the whole system is closed and you can use it. So that is my very good working foot pedal for PWM motor controllers. You can make it yourself if you want, but I must tell you that I have about 1 day of work to make that, so you can't count your hours that you spent on it. So thank you for looking, and until the next time. Bye.